Alrighty, YouTube. So today we are working on this. So I got all the cross members in yesterday. Some of them ordered out. I wanted to do most of this with dual shield flux core. Kind of what I want to do. So I didn't have any tips with me yesterday, so I just did what I could with some MIG just to get some stuff done while I was over here. And now we are gonna go through and finish welding all this out. Once we get all this welded out, then we can go through and put the floor on. But yeah, that's basically what we got. Just want to give you all a little update on everything. Everything seemed to be fitting pretty well. We had to adjust one or two of these of the cross members so that when we put the sheeting on, it'll land right to where we can have a it would land right, so then we have a seam on a beam. We only had to move the two, and then it would work out just fine. So we only moved them like a few inches. But anyway, put that on there so I can just sit on that and then weld off the side instead of having to climb all up over everything. And it won't catch on fire that bad. But anyway, we can get back at it. Alrighty, got my sidekick here, right, Grandpa?
That's it.
He's the boss man. I just follow what he says.
Right.
But got this piece set on. We're about to weld it out. We got all this welded out. I do got to weld the bottom side of all the corners, but I'll do that once we get the hydraulics hooked up. But got the lamb hooked. Well, not the lamb's out, but we got all the cross members welded in. Yeah, all we got these two plates cut. Gonna weld them in, and then we got to get the other plate, put that in. And then it's about time to put the top on. But that probably would not be a today job. That'll be a later, maybe the weather clears up job. But yeah, just figured we'd do a little update, and I got the GoPro going so y'all can watch me weld this out. Alright, I'll bring y'all back. Hey YouTube, no back here. So those two welded up top. I still gotta weld the bottom of this one up underneath, but I just haven't got around to doing that. Got the hinges all welded out. They came out pretty good. Now I got that 4x8 sheet that I'm gonna cut for this back section, but it's welded in. And then once we do all that, other than putting the ram in, we will be all set. Put the rams in the sides and then do the door. But we got a little bit left, that's for sure, but not too bad. So I'm gonna get that sheet put on tonight. Then all we gotta do is just clean the doors up and then put the doors on, or the walls. Drop that on and then just go to town. But we're getting there. Definitely getting there. But anyway, I just wanted to bring it back. I want to show y'all what was going on. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I'll bring you an update. My GoPro died, so just what I got is what I got. But this is all just pretty much just welding. But yeah, they worked out good to land on the edge of that. So this one's gonna be a little short or a little long, so I'm gonna have to trim it both ways. But yeah, it worked out good. I'm just running the dual shield flux core. I think some select arc band. It works pretty good. I mean, I've had it for a while now. Trying to bone it up and use what I got, but I could have MIG welded this. It's only 1/8 plate, but we're going to 3/16, so you could have MIG welded the whole thing, but I just feel a little bit better with the dual shield. But that, and then we may end up putting a piece of angle or something back here, but I'm not sure yet. That's about all we got. Alrighty, YouTube. So we got all the deck done, the hinges welded out. We went through, and as you can see here, welded all the bottoms out. That's all good. Stitch welded that in. So now we have to do a little bit of cleanup, and then we are ready to. I clean up this, and I clean up the bottom down there, or not the bottom, the I clean up the sides, and then we'll be ready to put those to set down on top of here. And then once we do that, weld them in, and then just put the door, and I gotta put the cylinder in. But yeah, the cylinder supposed to come in today or tomorrow. We'll see. I'll see if it came in, but I don't think it did. But get that put in, and then we'll be in business. That reminds me, I gotta get some hydraulic fittings for that. But yeah, so that's what we got. Been a nice little project. Got it done pretty good. So I gotta go in the truck. So I take all my hand tools and stuff out of the truck, and then I always forget about them. But yeah. So yeah, it's getting late, so I'm gonna head on back to the house. But yeah, we got all this done. I'm ready to get this thing done with. So once I finish welding these middles, I'm gonna weld these seams all the way out, but I don't want to bow them, so I'm gonna take some time putting some heat, so I don't put too much heat into them at once. But yeah, so it's definitely a project. It's definitely coming along pretty good. But yeah, probably hoping by the end of the week to get the sides on. Paint, on the other hand, I'm trying to avoid painting it. Hoping somebody else can paint it, but we'll see. But yeah, we'll get it done, get to a usable trail, and then go from there. But I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Hope this part of the video was enjoyable. I'll probably put this up, then I'll probably do one final video at the end. Just try wrapping up all the decking that I did. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you're watching, stay tuned for some more videos like this. But yeah, y'all take it easy. What's going on, YouTube? Noah back here. So we're back working the dump trail a little bit. I'll spin y'all in and kind of show you what we've been working on. But I had it rained it, as you can see. I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining out. So did some work this morning, but then it got rained out, so I figured I'd come over here and get a little bit done over here. But all right, let me spin y'all out and show you what we got done. I should have took a video when I had everything on here, but I had this stand and another stand up under here. Some blocks. I used this to jack it up. I welded this on. I jacked it up as much as I jacked it up as much as I could. Then I put that in between here and jacked against here. Got it up. Got it blocked up. Made to it was safe. I had one of those on either side holding the weight, and then I had blocks all in. So if it did, for some reason one of those failed, I was safe. That was a pain in the butt to get in the hydraulic cylinder, but we got it. I got it in place. I just couldn't get it threaded onto the end down there. There's a little thread at the end that we had to hook in, so that was fun. But eventually got it put in. Don't really want to put it up anymore because I got a steel frame out for something else sitting up here, so don't really want to let that fall. But yeah, it's coming along. Had a bunch of blocks up under there, that way if it did fail, I wouldn't have been dead or smushed. But, and now I'm gonna just get all those blocks out, put it back down to where it's supposed to be, and I got a couple welds up on the bottom that I gotta do, but I'll probably just hold off doing those until I get done with everything, put the whole trail together basically. But yeah, this is where we're at. Cylinder is in. It does work, and yeah. So, alright, thanks all for watching. Alright, YouTube. So we got that up in there. That's ready to go on the frame. We pulled the frame out of the garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up so you can watch me attempt to put this thing down on the truck. So there you have it. It's down. I got to do some adjusting, get it right, but it's pretty darn close. So Yeah, so I got to measurements, but I pushed these walls out a little bit on the back because it's space. So no problem. We can take all that. We can take these reinforcements, get one side set, cut the other side in. But yeah, came out pretty good. So on there, still gonna be a pretty tall dump truck, I gotta say. Normally they're about here. It'll walk. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy.